Hi everyone, today we came with another video looking for an app that easily saves video and photo WhatsApp status of friends and family with fast and free without asking them directly. This social status saver downloader is best suited for you. Download and get the Status Saver 2020 and enjoy the cool features of the app. How to use it. 1. First, open WhatsApp and view your friends or family status. 2. Then open to Social Status Saver and select the status you want to save. 3. Click the download button to save them to the gallery. 4. Yay! The video and image will be saved to the Saved Status tab. How to use it. First, open WhatsApp and view your friends or family status, then open to Social Status Saver and select the status you want to save. Click the download button to save them to the gallery. Yay! The video and image will be saved to the Saved Status tab. Features: save images, videos, and GIF with a single click. You can view saved stories or status even after 24 hours. Play with a built-in video player. Inbuilt image viewer with zoom controls. Save multiple videos and images with a single tap directly into your mobile gallery. Fast and free status downloader and free status saver for WhatsApp. Beautiful and simple user interface. Save and re-share the best statuses like love, movie, quotes, cricket, and devotional with friends and family. Easy to share and repost saved status with social media like Instagram, Facebook, etc. Find all saved status in a single place just like gallery. Social Status Saver app helps you save WhatsApp status video, image and GIF from your friends in an easy and fast way without asking them directly. Now it's easy to save WhatsApp status, WhatsApp stories, videos of any friends and family that you love the most. No need to ask him how to send it to you. This is a completely free app. It works offline, no internet connection required for saving stories or videos of WhatsApp. If you are looking for the latest status app, Video Saver, try this best and new status saver for WhatsApp. It will help you to save all statuses in languages like English, Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Tamil, Telugu, Punjabi, Kannada, Malayalam, Odia with a single click. If you have any suggestions about the app, feel free to give us feedback via the feedback menu in the app. If you like this app, please kindly give us a 5-star rating in Google Play Store. It will inspire us a lot.